Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to factory reset iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I want to do a factory reset on the iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to do a factory reset on your iPhone 12, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on general, scroll down the general page and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now locate and click on erase all content and settings. Once you have erased this iPhone, then the following item will be safely removed from this iPhone: your apps and data, your Apple account, Find My, and wallet. Mark you, Find My is going to ask you to type in your Apple account, email and password when next you want to set up the iPhone. So if you don't want to set up Find My, or if you want to remove activation lock on your iPhone, make sure you log out your Apple account first. Then go ahead and click on continue. Then spot that says, are you sure you want to erase all media content and settings? This cannot be undone. Then go ahead and hit erase iPhone. And then you're good. So this is going to erase your iPhone 12 and it's going to ask you to set up the iPhone 12 from scratch again. So that is basically how to factory reset your iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.